Hello everyone, I am PEMMAIAH of first year BE Artificial Intelligence and Data Science studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. Now I am going to tell my innovative idea under the subject Innovation and Design Thinking. So my topic is Voice Detecting Calculator. We all know the scientific calculator. Some people may find it difficult to operate the scientific calculator, or some may not be able to type the equations in the calculator due to some disabilities. So, I thought of the voice detecting calculator which may help in some operations. A voice detecting calculator can help people, especially those with certain disabilities. This device will be helpful for the people who prefer freehand interaction. A voice detecting calculator can help those who are not comfortable with the calculator's operation, allowing them to interact using their voice. It can offer hand-free and efficient way to perform calculations which can be used in speedy works, etc. It also showcases innovative use of technology to simplify everyday tasks. It could be used as an educational tool to engage students in learning about voice recognition technology, programming, and human-machine interfaces. This can help many individuals to perform calculations effortlessly. This can be useful in situations where the hands are occupied in some other activities. So the materials required for this voice detecting calculator are: one is microphone or audio input module, which helps to capture the user's voice. Extra button, which activates the calculator to detect the voice of the person. Library, which converts the spoken words into a text. Programming logic, which helps to perform calculations based on the recognized input. Programming languages like Python, which has libraries, helps in speech recognition. So this is the overview of the voice detecting calculator. So this is an idea which can support voice input, multi-language support, mathematical operations, error handling, etc. Thus, this voice detecting calculator can help many individuals to perform calculations effortlessly, promoting easy use. Thank you.